Hello all, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we talk about diabetes prediction in machine learning. So in this project we use Python. Okay, so we use Jupyter notebook to solve this data set to get the prediction value of diabetes data set. Okay, so let's get started. I open my Jupyter here. Okay, it's open in localhost. Okay, let's create a file here. Okay, and Python 3. Okay, the kernel is ready. Please wait. Okay, the kernel is starting. So now I'm going to import here the library for pandas. Okay, so import pandas as pd. Let's zoom it here. Okay, so import numpy as np. So import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Okay, so alt enter, or sorry, not alt enter, shift enter here. Okay, to run this kernel here. Okay, so now we are going to import our dataset. Load our dataset here. Okay, so name is data dot pandas has a library pd dot read csv. Okay, and now we have to put here the path. Okay, so here's my path here. Okay, here's my diabetes dataset dot csv. Go to enter properties. Okay, security, and copy it here. Okay, okay, let's minimize it. Okay, and paste here. Okay, and double blackfish. Okay, so again shift enter. Okay, so let's print our data set. For data dot head, we put here first 10 row. Okay, first 10 column here. Okay, so here's the column. Okay, here is our data set. So let's zoom out. Okay, okay, I also show in my excel site. Excel here. Here you can see. Okay, so let's analyze our data set here. Okay, so let's data dot describe. Okay, okay, here. So here you can see the count value, the mean value, the standard deviation, the mean value, and the 25%, 50%, 75%, the max. Okay, so here you can see the all analysis of this data here. Okay, so all the numerical column are divided into count, mean, standard deviation, mean, max. Mean only for mean, and the 20%, 25% of data, and 50% of data, and 75% of data, and max value here. Okay, so let's check, is there any null value. So data dot is null dot sum. Okay, okay, I think there is no null value. Okay, okay, so let's change the test positive as 1 for this classification problem. Okay, and the test negative as 0 here. Okay, so let's do the math. So diabetes math equal, so we put here the tested positive as 1. Okay, tested positive as 1, positive as 1 is, I think it's 1. Then the tested negative as 0. Okay, it's better as 0 here. Okay, so let's run it for shift enter. Okay, so here is our data class. Okay, the class column here, like, yes, it's a class. Okay, so data class, and create the map here. So it should be the data class dot math. Okay, so math dia beats and math. Okay, hit enter, I mean shift enter. Okay, so let's print our data again. Okay, so hit, this time we take 5 columns. Okay, so we see that the tested positive are changed into 1 and tested negative are changed into 0. So here we can see some 0 value. Okay, so now we have to fix it. Okay, with the mean value or another can. Okay, so this is called the, I mean, data formatting, I mean data preprocessing. Okay, so we have to handle this data. Okay, so let's print the column here. Okay, data dot columns. Okay, center. So here is the column. Okay, so let's copy it here. Okay, let's copy it here and Control C here. Oh, let's copy for Control C here. Okay, so data and this pass this here. Okay, so we are gonna to check if there is any 0 value, I mean null value. If there is 0, so it should you have to handle this data. Okay, so you need not to you have to change the 0 value to the null value if we check there is a null value or not. Okay, so let's copy it here. Okay, data and paste it here and replace it as a null value. So replace. Okay, so replace here. Okay, replace 0 comma np dot none. Okay, is it right? Okay, so hit enter here. Okay, so now check if there are any null value in any column. Okay, so is null. Okay, same dot sum. So is the technique to find the null value here. Okay, so there is also have some technique for finding the null values here. Okay, so there should be the 100 when null value 535 and so many null values. So we have to handle it here. Okay, so we have to handle it here. Okay, so handle it, we can handle it using imputer also, or also we can handle it by the mean value of it. Okay, so we can also handle it by the mean value. Okay, so data dot fill null for filling the null value here. Okay, so filling the null here for data dot mean and in place equal to true here. Okay, in place equal true. Okay, so let's check again. Okay, is there null value or not? Dot sum. Okay, oh, there is no null value here. Okay, so let's check is our data is imbalanced or not. Okay, so let's create a histogram. Okay, or we can let's take our data, shape our data. Okay, the shape is have 9 columns and 768 column and a row, I think. Okay, so let's check the histogram here. Okay, so data dot hist. Okay, and the grid should be false. Okay, we don't need to use the grid here. Okay, false here. Okay, then for beans we have to use 25 is better here. Okay, and fixed size, let's say 50 to 50 here. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so and he is a matplotlib library, matplotlib library classes. Okay, so it loaded here, the kernel is running. Okay, yes, okay, here the class. Okay, so I think there is no, this data set is not an imbalanced data set. Okay, I think it's 1:2, so it's not a imbalanced data set here. Okay, so now I have to prepare our data set into train and test. So let's check for x equal data dot drop here, drop the classes for drop the class only the excel, I mean class here. Okay, so class and the axis should be 1. Okay, here should be drop, and y should be the target value, I mean, because of for independent feature there should be this one, and for the independent feature dependent user it should be class. Okay, and so the x should be the without this class, these all. Okay, so first we drop this class here and then take it here. Okay, so data, there should be class. Okay, so let's run it here. Okay, so let's check our shape. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so let's check our y shape. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so let's split our data into train test. Okay, x train, x test, and y train and y test here. Okay, 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 so now we have to import here for sklearn dot model selection and import the train test split. Okay, train and test split. Okay, it's fine. Okay, you're working. Let's pass it here. Okay, so train test split. Okay, and pass the x here and y here. Okay, and the random state should be, so no is test size. Okay, so test size should be 0.2, it's better. Okay, or 0.3, whatever you can. So I put here 0.2, and random state should be 0. Okay, or you can put here 5, 6, 7 or 40 enough. Okay, so I put here 0 here. Okay, so let's check our screen shape. Okay, okay, it's more than enough. Okay, so let's check our y train shape. Okay, that's great. Okay, so it's better to scale the data. Okay, so from sklearn dot preprocessing, import the min max color, or you can import the standard color here. Okay, so import min max scalar. Okay, so now we have to scale it, I mean fit it. Okay, fit it here. Okay, so let's create a object for sc and min max scalar and put it here. You can put random state. Okay, so I don't put here for random state here. Okay, so let's fit it here with the train data. Train, okay, train equal sc dot fit, then transform data. Okay, then x train here. Okay, then y not sorting, it should be x test. Okay, x test equal sc dot fit transform. Okay, because we transform only for the X data, not be in the Y data. Okay, so here should be the X test. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so now we have to create our base model here. So because of this is a classification problem, so we use random forest classifier. Okay, so from also we can use the linear classifier also be, or also be the use some more some algorithm here. Okay, for classification. Okay, so for ensemble import the random forest. Also you can use decision tree classifier, because I don't use it here. Okay, because of it's also caused the overfitting problem. Classifier. Okay, it's enough. Okay, so let's create a object here. So random forest. Okay, random forest equal the random forest classifier here. Okay, random forest classifier. So here's the random forest classifier. Okay, oh, I put here the bookmark. Okay, and random state should be the, or you can put the random state here. So let's say random state should be, let's say 20. So no 20, so let's say 20. Okay, okay, so let's feed our model here. Okay, so random forest dot fit x train and the y train. Hit enter here. Okay, expected keyword for random state random. Okay, oh, that's bad spelling mistake. Okay, okay, so let's predict our model here. Okay, so random forest, or let's say y hat or y predict. Okay, so y prat here. Okay, no problem. Y prat equal let's say random forest dot predict and pass the x test data here. Okay, so let's print the y prat here. Okay, okay, so here's the predicted output. So let's check our accuracy here. Okay, so we check the matrix. Okay, so from scale learn import matrix. Okay, matrix here, trics matrix. Okay, then print our accuracy here. So print the accuracy. Let's capital it here. Okay, accuracy equal, let's use a format here for 0.3 as for fruit below, and dot format matrix accuracy. Okay, so matrix accuracy score here. Okay, and the pass the y test and the y prat here. Prat. Okay, okay, is it fine? Okay, so run it. Matrix accuracy score is not defined here. Okay, oh, so it should be the matrix. Okay, and hit enter. scalar matrix has no attribute to matrix accuracy score here. Okay, matrix, I think there has some spelling metric, not, oh, matrix dot accuracy score, not the matrix accuracy score. Okay, so let's run again. So wipe rate is not defined here. Okay, so I got a mistake here. So it should be the small. Okay, so let's run it again. Problem. So plot has no value for 0.3f here. Okay, 0.3f or not. So that means 0.2.3. Okay, okay, so our accuracy is 0.753, not bad. Okay, so here's our prediction also be. So in this next tutorial we implement our model and reach our accuracy here. Okay, so in this next tutorial we use XGBoost for hyperparameter optimization here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, and also this is my first machine learning project. I mean machine learning dataset prediction problem. So for next tutorial please subscribe my channel, and again don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.